Here are 4 types of video that will help streamline your business and bring in more referrals. And the best part is you could make them all today. When you think of videos for your manufacturing business, you're probably thinking of marketing videos to showcase the products and services that you sell. And these are great, of course, and you need those and they've got a place. But there are also some other video assets you can create. There are video assets you can create which will improve the customer experience and therefore bring in more referrals for you. Number 1, an onboarding video. So we see it all the time with SaaS businesses. When you sign up to a new piece of software, they've usually got a pretty cool video on there taking you through the steps. Then they'll email you, the next day and maybe give you another video. And they've got a whole library of videos there to take you through how to use their software. Now, the reason they're doing that, of course, is to get you using it and get you into it so you don't cancel your subscription. And there's no reason why you can't produce a similar type of video for whatever it is that you do. So if you sell a product, why not have a kind of onboarding type video to show people how to use that product? You can thank them for buying it, you could show them how it goes together, maybe you can show them some other use cases for that product as well. If you provide a service, same idea. You can produce a video that introduces them to the service, thanks them for buying the service from you, and takes them through the next steps. All of these things add to the customer's perception of you, and they're very likely to go and tell their friends what a great product or service it is because of all the support that they're getting from you. Number 2, assembly videos. So a little bit like the onboarding video, these videos show you how to assemble the product that they've just bought. So if you've purchased something, say like a barbecue that you manufacture, something like that, you could take people through how to put that together. Now again, that makes them feel really good about their purchase that they've just made, helps get rid of the old buyer's remorse and makes sure that they're really on board and they're absolutely loving your company at this perfect time. This is the prime time when they're excited about having just bought the product. If you can provide that support and show them what to do next, they're going to absolutely love it. Number 3 is service videos. Now, it's a little bit like an assembly video, but the customers own the product for however long it is, whatever your service interval is, and it's come time for them to service it. Perhaps you provide the service yourself, but perhaps you can provide this video to show the customer how to do it themselves. And I mean, possibly they even see what goes into it and they think, actually, I'll tell you what, I'll just pay you guys to come and service it for me. So this video does what it says really. It takes them through the steps of servicing the product themselves. Perhaps they need certain tools, perhaps they need a service pack from you, perhaps they've got to buy some other consumables. You can show them exactly what it is that they need and exactly how to do it. And again, they're just gonna love you as a company if you do that, and you're much more likely to get some referrals from that because you're building trust with them, you're helping them, and you're keeping them on board. They're going to come and buy from you again in the future. FAQ videos. Now, FAQ of course stands for frequently asked questions. You possibly already have a page on your website of FAQs in text form. Why not turn them all into videos? And if you don't have the text versions already, then this is the time to go and create them. You probably already get asked questions by people on a frequent basis. Perhaps your customer services team is always answering questions. So go and find out what are those frequently asked questions and make a video answering each one of those questions. Firstly, people are going to, again, love the brand because you're providing all this help and support. Secondly, you can use it in your marketing by showing people that you're answering these questions as well. But thirdly, it's going to help cut down on your customer services time because you've got these questions answered automatically. If you're getting the same question in, you could just direct them to the video. It's going to answer their question perfectly and cut down on your time. It's a win-win. Finally, these FAQ videos are going to help with your SEO, so your search engine optimization. When people are searching for your particular industry or the product that you sell or the service, they're going to have questions, they're going to Google those questions, and your answers are going to come up in the Google searches. Now, we all know YouTube's the second biggest search engine after Google, so you want to have the answers to those questions up there and available. They're going to then direct people to your videos. People are going to go, oh, these guys seem to know what they're talking about. Click through to your website and then see that you sell the product or service that they're interested in. So FAQ videos are a fantastic way for you to get out there, to have a presence, to show that you're helpful and that you're giving to your customers, and it's going to put you right up the rankings as well. So these videos could be all made by you today, well, maybe not today, but this week. What you need to do is plan them. You can see some of our other earlier videos on how to plan your videos. Make sure you plan them out, you know what you're gonna say. So like I do with these YouTube videos, script it all out, give yourself the script that I've got down here so I know what I'm talking about. You know all the content, you know the answers to these questions, you know how to service your product, you know how to assemble it, you know how to answer all the frequently asked questions that you get. So you could just get up there and start talking today or tomorrow, this week, and make these series of videos. They don't need to be a full-blown production. You can make something quite simple with your phone. See one of our other videos on how to set up a space and how to make it all look professional. But you can make it look pretty decent right now and have a ton of video assets there ready to go.